never seen these lights. I know what this is, so I'm thinking it's been one hell of a life. Ain't accomplished everything I wanted to, but I did alright. Wish I could hug the people that love me, could've did shit right. I see the white gates, will they let me in? Do I deserve it? Another bright light get close to me, but it didn't burn me. And know what I'm thinking? It said, why you don't think you worthy? No matter your sins, God got unlimited love and mercy. You a part of that love, no matter what you did, you one of his. Just think about it, no matter how bad, would you do that to your kids? And your love and patience ain't nothing like his. God forgives, I felt the embrace. It's been a minute since I dropped tears. I'm like, what about all those shooters? What about all the niggas that died? All the hurt I put in their family hurt, all the fear I put in their eyes. Said everything gon' make sense, just not right now. You came close, but you ain't died. It's not your time. Laid up in the spittle, damn, I shouldn't underestimate the enemy. Medication kicking in, dozed off again, I ain't got no energy. Hooping with some real killers, niggas slid to the crib, try to finish me. Seeing old girl moving crazy, I ain't gotta ask how they get to me. The bros, them, they on demon time, popping out of strikers with the straps on. Any nigga out here claiming that catching hollow tips, they tap out. Can't say I don't understand, might sound crazy, but I feel them. Know I would've did the same thing if I ever thought a nigga killed them. Nurse come in like, yo, I gotta clear it out, let him get his rest. Will and Johnny like, we gon' hold it down for you, big bro, don't need stress. Nurse bitch start sweet talking, and tryna cop a feel too. She say you hurt, but I got something up in my panties that'll heal you. Drugs kicking in, she must think I'm free game, why she talking like that? Turn around, ass fat as hell, bending over, why she walking like that? Steady having all these nightmares about them pussy niggas shooting through the door. Boys couldn't get the job done, scary ass niggas should've threw some more. I never trust a bitch again, never ending up like this again. Main focus, get money, I'm knowing she took everything that was in the crib. I never trust a bitch again, never ending up like this again. Trying to get me iced in the crib, boy, I bet not ever see that bitch again. Me and the nurse been chopping it up, long story short, she fucking the plug. She tryna help me run this shit up, I'm focused, I've been in trouble enough. That'll be love, you put that together, I get out of here and I'm ready whenever. Shit, we going business together, shit, I'm tryna drop a new bezel. Month later, I was out of there, girlie came and got me my location share. If she tryna play me, she gon' need a prayer. Faux Nick tucked in my underwear. She like, let's go to my crib first and wake up the neighbors. I'm like, no, I put my money first, all that other shit can come later. She like, oh, you put your money first? I'm like, no, I put loyalty first. She like, I was just making sure you was on point. You know niggas die over thirst. I know niggas get sidetracked about some pussy, but don't try that with me, it won't work. Matter of fact, my wounds hurt. Go ahead and throw me some perks and tell me about this plug. Tell me about these drugs. Tell me what you getting out all this shit. What's my cut? You cool and all, but I'm here for this pape. Don't get this shit fucked up. She like, you had it rough and you a real nigga, I wanna see you up. We pull up to his crib, she call his phone, we park right by the curb. He come outside with two niggas, they strapped, but I am not concerned. I hop out, I'm like, what's the word? Introduce myself, he like, I heard, I need you on my team, bro. What can you do with 50 birds? Heard about your situation, you know what I'm saying? Heard about you getting life, giving that time back. That bitch gonna get what she deserved too. Oh yeah, my name D. Take my number down.
আমার মায়ুর মায় যারের দিনত নায়ুর যাবার সার ও আমার মায়ুর মায় যারের দিনত নায়ুর যাবার সার যারের দিনত একটা ঘরত একলা কি আর থাকা যায় ও আমার মায়ুর মায় যারের দিনত নায়ুর যাবার সার ও আমার মায়ুর মায় যারের দিনত নায়ুর যাবার সার তো পুষ্পাশি দিনত ঢাকতে কাটা মারি, একে তো পুষ্পাশি দিনত ঢাকতে কাটা মারি। কোন হাউসতে যাবার চাই তুই ছাওয়া গুল এক ধরি, আরে কোন হাউসতে যাবার চাই তুই ছাওয়া গুল এক ধরি। মূলা বাইগন টমেটোর খেচক বুঝি ছাগলে খায়, আমার মায়োর মায় জারের দিনত নাইর যাবার চাই, আমার মায়োর মায় জারের দিনত নাইর যাবার চাই। জারের দিনত একটা ঘরত একলা কি আর থাকা যায়, আমার মায়োর মায় জারের দিনত নাইর যাবার চাই। কয়দিন আগত আসলু খায়া বইলে রবিয়া, কয়দিন আগত আসলু খায়া বইলে রবিয়া। গাড়ি হাতে উল্টি পরি ভাঙিল তোর পা, গাড়ি হাতে উল্টি পরি ভাঙিল তোর পা। বুঝে মানুষ না বুঝিলে তা কি কায়ও বুঝবার পাহাড়।